Welcome back, people. We got another video. This is on the electric e-bike conversion kit that I brought today. We're going to give it some life. We're going to see if the wheel actually even moves and we get power. So the battery I got, this is the battery I'm using. Again, I brought it from AliExpress, just a cheap Chinese battery. Just for the product, I probably am going to end up buying a better one. But for now, I'm going to have to cut off these two wires here on the battery because that connector is not the same connector as my controller, so I will have to buy some more batteries in the future. But for now, I'm going to chop off the wire and put it onto a block, electrical block, just for now, just for this video. Okay, let me just cut through. There we go, let's cut off clear. Now we've cut that off, I'm going to thread a little bit off and I'm going to use these numbers to guide me. I'm going to try the top one first. Okay, top one's too big. Let's try the next size down. Perfect. Okay, so now we've got that. I'm going to use this electrical block. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out when the electric bike is completely built and we're out on the road on it. We're also going to be connecting up a throttle for different connectors and stuff, showing you guys how to do that. And I did an unboxing on the video. I did an unboxing video of this actual conversion kit as well. So I'm in the process now of giving this some power. For those who didn't see it, we want to give this some power today and see if we can able to get it to run. I just want to see a bit of life in it. That's probably a little bit too far through, so let me just undo that a little bit. There we go. Yeah, this block's probably not ideal, but I will end up getting another connector, so don't worry guys, this is just for the video. And then let's cut off this red one. Red's always live, just to mention that for anyone who don't know. There we go, snip that. And then we use a size 12 to thread it, just like we did with the other one. Perfect. Twist the wire, put it in the next block and the other side. There we go. Might even fold that a little bit, you know, just because it is slightly long. There we go. Does it still fit? Yeah, it does. Perfect. Maybe I should have folded the other block as well, but that's all right. Let's tighten that up. If you want to support the channel as well that little bit more, we now have memberships. Click the link in the description below. If not, I still appreciate you guys watching, subscribing and sharing the content if you are able to. Okay, so now cutting off on the controller. I wish I didn't have to do this, but unfortunately I don't have the right connector and I've got to wait for it to turn up, so I just have to use my own inventions for now. Jeez, if I can get it to break. Squeeze. There we go. That got it. Alright, and then we're going to do the same for this one. A 12. And then pull. Jeez, that wire's strong. Oh, wow. Okay, give me a sec. Gotta use a bit of muscle for this one. I'm sorry about that place. I know it's insanely messy, but it is what it is. Jeez, that was hard work getting that off. Okay, then we're going to do the same for the red wire. Just pull a little bit off of there. So far, this has taken me a short minute to build this. I was going to build it all in one day, but I'm going to pick my kids up from school and stuff, so that's why it's taken me a little bit longer, unfortunately. But there we go. Okay, so we've got the red and we've got the black and the main power cables that we're going to connect. I am kind of expecting a spark because sometimes that does happen, so don't be scared, although it will make you jump probably. Okay, push the black in. Or at least every other bike conversion I've had has always sparked. And I do mean always, every time I've connected the battery. Not sure whether it's going to do that with this one. If it does, I probably will poop myself a little bit. Okay, let's see. Yep, okay, that made me jump. It's only the one spark, so you ain't got to worry. I did poop myself there though, no light. Alright. Get that nice and tight, just so it don't come out. Right, so there's the battery connected. So now I'm going to connect the display. The display that I'm using is a SW900 display. Let's see, let's plug it in. Here's the one. Okay, it's plugged in. Let's turn it on. Moment of truth. Have we got any power? Hold M. We have power. Got it upside down, but we've got power. Okay, so error 08. That's fine for the minute. Just want to have a look, see if it does. Okay, it does let me go through the pass. Okay, perfect. Standard, eco, and power on 08. Okay, right. So let me disconnect real quick. I think the 08 is for the throttle, if I'm honest. Let's plug it back in. Just turn it back on. Just want to make sure it turns on without a problem. Okay, perfect. I did hear a little click on the wheel. So that could be telling me that it's obviously there's power going to the wheel, so that's a good sign. I have now got to try and find somewhere where I put the throttle. Right here. Here's the throttle. Again, this is a thumb throttle. I'm not going to be using this one. I'm just using it just for this as a demo, just to see that we have power. Eventually, I am going to end up changing and using a different one. I've explained to the controller as well, so yeah, if you're stuck on anything, look across the channel. Is that the right wire? There. Okay, there's the throttle connected. Now we have no error code, so that's done that. The only thing left to do now is to lift the bike up a little bit, push the throttle, and see if we've got some power there. So, moment of truth. All right. Let me see. I don't really have much length, so let me untwist this wire. I know I've got to put it all together and put it all on the bike and everything like that, which again I am going to be doing, and I will make all separate videos of it. Just want to make sure that this wheel does actually work. Okay, so lift the back up, push the thumb. Yes. Whoa. Jeez, that is insanely fast. Oh, I can't wait to ride this thing. I really can't wait to ride it. Well, there we go. We have power. So, yeah, as I said, I'm going to make a separate video on how to wire up the other throttle. So keep an eye out for that. That's going to be coming soon. But this is the next stage. We have power. We got the screen. Obviously, we had the E8 code error, which I knew what that was anyway. Obviously, the throttle. So yeah, brake sensors. Just want to quickly connect one brake up real quick. Let's quickly do that. Connect one brake. You haven't got to worry about connecting wires once the battery's in. It will not spark or anything, so don't worry about that. It's just when you first connect the battery up, you get that bit of a spark. Always makes me jump. So when we pull the brake, it says error 02. Now it says nothing. Pull the brake, error 02. Okay, that could be because we got it in the wrong way. Let me try the other one, just in case there's a specific one for the front, specific one for the back. Let me quickly try that. Okay, brake, it still says error 02. Only when I pull the brake though, does it do that. So, what I need to do is I need to pick up the bike, press the throttle, and then press the brake and see if it shuts it off. So let's do that. So apply a bit of, it's hard to do it with one hand. Get a bit of throttle, pull the brake. Yep. Brake lever is engaged, it's pulled down, thumb throttle's on. No, it's not moving. I'd let go of the brake. It's moving. Keep the throttle on. Hold up, pull in the brake. Whoa. Keep the throttle on, pull the brake. Shuts off. So that works. Don't know why it gave me an error code. Probably because I haven't got the brake cable in actually. But that works. So, yeah, keep an eye out for the next video. It's going to be coming soon. Can't wait to get the dash on. Brake sensors. I'm going to show my own way of doing that. And building the rest of this bike, getting the battery on, the converter, everything put together. Them videos will be coming soon, so keep an eye out for those. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Don't forget to drop a like if you did enjoy it. If you're able to share, please do. It does help me grow. I really appreciate you guys. Any comments, any problems, or let me know what you're thinking of the build so far. If you've been watching all of them, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you people again soon for some more fun and games. I'm out.